Welcome everyone. In this video we will see find join feature in detail. In one line I would say to get data, it can perform join operations between different database types up to n number of levels. Scale. Let's go to API testing. We'll select MySQL 8. Select inventory database. Select order transactions. Query. Inside the body, we'll have this payload. We'll send it and we'll see we are getting data from nested tables. Now let's write the find join query. Here we can type our order ID dot customer ID dot favorite food should be Manchurian, let's say. So here we have dabeli. This is Manchurian. Okay. Now let's hit it. So we got the order transactions of the customer whose favorite food is Manchurian. Now let's remove the deep populate. We don't want to go nested levels. We just want our data. So these are simple order transactions without populating deep. But if we want to see what kind of data we are getting, then we can provide deep and we can go inside. But deep is not necessary to work for this find join kind of query. Let's add deep back. We'll send it, and right now we are getting all the data, and this find join operation is being performed only on MySQL 8. Let's get this order information from MongoDB and customer information from SQL Server. For that, let's modify those schemas MySQL 8, inventory and order transaction. We'll click on this icon, and in this order ID, right now table and column is from orders and ID. We'll add instance, we'll add database, and table and column are there. Instance will be MongoDB and database will be inventory. Update the schema. Let's go back, hit, and we got this error saying that it is not able to find schema for this customer ID field inside the schema of MongoDB, inventory and orders collection. So let's go to orders. So we'll go to MongoDB, we'll go to inventory, orders, modify the schema, and for this customer ID, this time we want to get data from SQL Server. Collection is dbo.customers. Let's update the schema. Let's go back and try again. And we got the data. So this time we got order details from MongoDB and this customer ID. This customer's details are coming from SQL Server. Let's populate this product information, and we are getting laptop here for these two records, so we can also write this join query for that also, like this: product ID dot category ID dot name. Product ID dot category ID dot name should be laptop. We'll send it, and we are getting the same two records. Let's remove this condition. We'll send it, and we are getting more records. So earlier condition was adding more strictness on the data, that user should have favorite food as a Manchurian and the products category should be laptop. Remember, this find join is always dependent on the schema to identify the instance database collection and column fields. In the deep populate, we can override those fields, but in find join, right now we cannot override those details provided in the schema. We can add OR operator also, like this. It supports array, object, object, we'll send it. So data will be in OR, either this one or this one. So our favorite food can be Manchurian and category can be laptop. Earlier example was the same as this AND operator. So in that case we will get only 2 records. So in this find join feature, you can perform join operations between any of supported database types with n number of conditions and n number of depth of join operations. API Maker is full flexible in that.